What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building, guys. What we gonna do today, we are gonna go over Monday's game plan. Hope you guys enjoyed this weekend, but you already know what time it is. It's time for us to get right back at it. Before we do this, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get that notification, guys. Hit that like button. Support the channel. We're gonna see if we got anything that'll rock the market Monday morning. As you see, we got wholesale inventories at 10 a.m. That looks like that's the only thing on the radar. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Newbies and beginners. I got a few messages saying, can I change it up? Can I get some lower end tickers on there for people to pay attention to? The ones that ain't got the $10,000, the $5,000 in their portfolio and want to be able to do something off the $1,000, the $2,000 area. Here we go. I'm going to throw it out there. We got SoFi out there. I'm going to start that one first. I think that this is a one that won't break the bank and you can still make a nice little pretty penny off of it. Catching the right moves, paying attention to the setups. With me just looking at this chart right here, I already see some setups already. If we was in this thing on Friday that we could have caught, as you see, that famous W that I try to teach everybody on, we came down, we went up, got that middle part, came back down. You can say, if you will, that's a double bottom. It came back over here, double bottom. And what happened? Boom. And as soon as you seen the W formation started, you should already knew what was going to happen right here. Was going to run that thing back up. Guys, I try to teach you guys certain setups. That way you can pay attention to. And that way, once you see it, you already got your confirmation in your mind. Let me go ahead and get in this play. If it go left, set that stop loss. That stop loss should be able to protect you against a catastrophic blow up in your account. So with SoFi, if you are a bull, you want to see these tops right in here get taken out around 1610. They can break through that right there. Boom, we coming up to 15, 16, 20 en route to trying to climb this thing back up to 1635. Then you got this area up here at 1645. That's going to be a heavy level. Expect some turbulence right there. Expect the bears to try to smack that thing down a little bit. But with these small low end tickers right here, you looking for that 25, 30 cent boost. Trim those profits down. Try to get in another area. Try to look for another setup, because with these low end tickers, from what I see, they give you that one move a day. You got to catch it. Once you catch that thing, don't be greedy with it. Get out of profit. Take your profit, move on to the next tickers. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this middle piece right here get taken out. You got 1595. They start breaking down that. Boom, you coming back down to these bottoms at 1585. They lose that. You got 1575 on deck. They start breaking through that. They can start coming down a little bit stronger. You got 1560 on deck. Next area down is going to be 1550 en route to trying to drop this thing all the way back down in here at 1520. They lose that, they're going to shoot their shot down to 15 even and back down to this area at 1485. That's your call outs and SoFi. Next ticker up, we're going to do Riot. We're sitting at 1295. As you see, it looks like they having some pullback. They was as high as 1360 and then they just got smacked. 1295 is where we at. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 1310 get taken out. They can take out 1310. You got these tops up in here at 1325. Break through that. You're going to get a nice little run up to 1340 and route back to 1360. This little area in here. Again, once they get up there, expect some turbulence. Expect the bears to come through and try to smack that thing down. If they don't and they just start chopping up around in here, they ready to try to move up to the next level up top. If you are a bear, you want to see this area right in here get taken out at 1270. They break through 1270, boom, you coming down to 1225 before they start trying to shoot their shot down to the lower stuff. You got this area right down here at 1170. They can really start coming down if they lose this area right here at 1225. There you go in Riot. Next ticker up, we're going to do SOUN. They're sitting in a crucial area. They're at 15 even. Guys, if you're paying attention to the formations, you can see what happened right here. They hit 1510 and boom, they ran this thing all the way back down. It looks like they trying to run up here and form a double top. It looks like they tried to get up here and they got smacked down right here. We got to see what happens here. If they start breaking through 1510, they're going to start moving up even higher. If you are a bear, what you want to see, you want to see these bottoms right in here at 1455 get taken out. They can take out that. You got this little area right in here, 1440, and then boom, you coming back down to this stuff up in here, 14 even. Next level down should be this stuff over here at 1345. It's a lot of turbulence up in here. Be careful there. Your first sign to know that it's coming down, if you start seeing this area right here, 1475. They start breaking through this little area all in here, that's your next level. Right in here, 1450, 1445. Put that on your radar. Newbies, beginners, that's 3 different tickers for you to pay attention to throughout the session. You see these areas get taken out of, you already know what to do. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? We're going to go ahead and kick it right out of the gate with the big boy Tesla. Tesla grinded this week. My goodness, look at that end of week run up. That is crazy. They popped this thing, guys. I had a play in there for calls. If you took that play, man, you eating. If you stayed in calls, you continuing to eat. But guys, don't get greedy in Tesla, because exactly what they're doing right now, booming this thing and running it up $10, we know Tesla can fall down just as hard. And I'm still saying my long-term idea for this, 400 is just the tip of the iceberg. Tesla is going to continue to run, but we got to expect Wall Street to kind of smack this thing down, because Wall Street, they know where this play is going to, but Wall Street want the best entry. They want the pullback. They want this thing to come back down to 377. They want this thing to come back down to 370 so they can get back in and enjoy that trip up. So remember to always take profit. Tesla is sitting somewhere around 395, 394. If you are a bull, what you want to see them start cracking open at 397 area. They start breaking through that. They're going to try to shoot that thing up to that round number at 400. Expect the bears to be pouncing somewhere in that area right there, that 397 to that 400 mark. When they smack that, you might get that pullback to try to get you a nice little entry back in there, and then ride that thing back up. So if you are a bear, you want to see 385 start getting taken out. They can take out that, then they're going to start trying to run this thing back down. We can sit here and say we want to see 390 get taken out of, but that's still bull striking area. They can still fake you out and make you think it's going to come back up under 390 and boom, that thing. Don't get caught up in Tesla's mess, because Tesla can smoke your account. Tesla got so many grave sites outside of their backyard. Man, it's a lot of people that done fell into that ditch playing around with Tesla. Do not let that be you. The next ticker up is going to be Nvidia. We're sitting around 143-ish. If you are a bull, you want to see them hold higher than 143. You want to see this level up here at 143.15 get taken out of. They can take out that. You got 144 on deck. They break through that. They coming all the way up to 145.70. They break through that. You got 146.55. Mark that on your boards. That's going to be a heavy level. They start breaking through this right here, they're going to run it higher, but expect the bears to give them a smack right at this area right here and give you opportunity for a little pullback before they start running up too. Nvidia is another one that I think is a sleeping giant. They haven't really popped it like Tesla has yet, but trust, it's on the horizon. Nvidia is going to pop, and you don't want to miss that train. If you are a bear, what you want to see 140.75 get taken out. They can take out that. You got 139.90. Next level down is going to be 138.90, and then boom, you're coming back down to 137.17. That's Nvidia. Next ticker up is going to be the SPY. They're sitting at 607.90. If you are a bull, you want to see 608.40 get taken out, and then you got that run up to 609.10. Guys, again, I'm going to say it again. I'm not interested in any calls in SPY until after they start giving me levels over 610. They start giving me levels over there. I want to see the smackdown. I want to see them come all the way back down to this area in here, 606.25, even lower. I want to see how they handle this area right at 604.99, 605, let's just say. Give us some pullback. Now we got levels to pay attention to where we can call that shot back up to 610. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for any calls here. Not saying that it can't continue to run after 610. I'm just saying that it needs to give me some history before I can jump in any calls. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this stuff right here. 607.45 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom. We coming down to 606.85. Might get some turbulence at 606.25. Next level down is going to be this stuff right here, 605.20. So we'll handle that in real time once those levels start showing themselves, and we'll be able to get on it, whatever it ends up doing. I got one more ticker for you guys, a bonus play, newbies, beginners, big baller shot callers. This is one that won't break the bank. Ticker symbol PLAY, aka Dave and Buster's. Guys, I think this company still adds value to the world out there. You got the youngsters that's going out there having a good time. You got the adults going out there and having a good time. I think this is one that everybody can get into, but they have earnings on Tuesday. Don't get the message wrong. I'm not saying go out there and play earnings. If that's what you do, then continue to do what you do. That's on you. Just know the risk. What I'm saying is they had that pullback. They was all the way up at almost 40 bucks. And they start getting smacked all the way down. This is common nature. Before a ticker have earnings, they get their pullback, or either they run it up real high. What I'm looking for in this ticker is two different areas. I'm looking for, if we start opening red, I'm looking for them to break through 36.40. They're going to try to run this thing all the way back down to 35.40. We start seeing candles close up under that. The next area is going to be 34.50 on the pullback. Expect the bulls to pounce somewhere in here. If they pop this thing up and start running this thing up, you get that green candle, start closing back above 35.40. They ready to run this thing all the way back up to $37, $38, $39. That's something for you to put on your radar. To the upside, if you see them start opening higher than this area right here, 37.20, then expect them to try to run this thing all the way back up to this area up in here, 39.20 area. Guys, that's just another ticker for you to pay attention to, another ticker for you to have on your radar, on your charts, going into the Monday's morning sessions. If I didn't cover any of your tickers throughout this video, guys, join the Discord. You already know we calling out random tickers throughout the session, giving technical analysis breakdowns on the upside and the downside. I done took enough of your time, but if you like sniper type level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me on my Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.